this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make raw mango pickles, but we are going to pluck those mangoes from my backyard. Welcome to my maths class. Single, double, triple, fours and more. पापा ठीक है चलो निकालते हैं.
व्रुम
और कितना
खींचो खींचो कुछ नहीं होता.
और कितना
खींचो.
तो मैं खींच रही हूँ नहीं आ रहा है. So we have got the mangoes. Here we are keeping the mangoes inside the dry paddy grass so that it doesn't dry out, and then distributing it. So we have done the plucking part of the mangoes, and we have also distributed the mangoes because we had so many mangoes that we distributed to our relatives. Now we are going to cut these mangoes. So these mangoes are little hard, so you need a very sharp knife to cut these. So let's start the cutting. So we have chopped all the mangoes. So there are many ways to make mango pickles. The two famous way is one where you keep near the sunlight for few days. The second method is doing the instant one. So we are going to do the instant one because I don't like the other ones. So we are going to do an instant pickle. So let's go. So first I'm going to take these fenugreek seeds and then gonna smash it with a rock so that I get powder, and then I'm gonna put it inside the pickle. This is an optional step if you want to do. Next I'm adding turmeric to the pickle. Next is the mirchi powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mirchi powder, and then adding salt according to the taste. Next I'm gonna do the tadka for this pickle. What I'm gonna do is add the oil, and after doing it I'm gonna put the rye and then hing to it, and that's it. I'm gonna make sure it boils nicely and then pour the tadka into this, and then take a spoon and nicely mix the whole pickle. Make sure you soak it for some time, like 2 to 3 hours, or actually 1 to 2 hours is necessary, and then start eating. So I am going to taste this now. Oh my god, it's so yummy. And I actually enjoyed plucking the mangoes and making the pickles. I hope you guys like it and try out mango pickles in your house. So if you guys like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.